Huh?
Is it inactive?
Sorry, is this that? Yeah, these are the issues now. You see the what they are saying now. Let me see. That's the last step. Look at what they're saying.
I mean, is the pulley still active?
Let me check. I'm sure. Pretty sure. Yeah, I think so.
If it was inactive, it should have.
It's active. It's active. Because I've been trying. It has not been long. I left it again when I was trying. So it's active. I think so. You see, like, okay, let's start. You see, like from here, it says not connected to Oracle. Then down here, when I try to shut down immediately, it says service handle not initialized. Internal error, what doesn't exist.
Okay.
I think I came to my, I think this is my alert, something I'm sure. This is my alert log. So I don't know how we can start up now.
Okay. Service handle internal error. What is the status of your database?
Sorry?
What is the status of your database?
The status. Right now, do I even know the status right now?
Select the status.
Try.
Select status from Vito.
Try, we can see. Database or instance.
Okay. Maybe.
Okay, shut down the bot.
Okay. Exit from SQL and go back in, maybe. Okay, so your instance is it mounted?
Right.
On his eye, there is no mounted.
Okay.
Start up mount.
Startup no mount or startup mount?
Mount.
Mount. Okay, I think you go. Open your database. Auto database open.
Auto database open like this?
Mm-hmm. I think it's open or Oracle instance terminated the disconnection first. Should to overblock segment number with two name. Small process ID session. No idea.
This one that they're saying down here is 6S.
It's too small. It's not your space. The system.
It's not me. It's not my space.
Maybe. I'm asking. Maybe.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Did you check your?
And Joseph, can you please change the appearance of your SQL Plus?
How do you even used to do that thing?
Change.
Huh?
Change settings. Change settings. Change settings. Yeah. Appearance. Change. Go to change on your right. No,
This is
no. Appearance and change. Go to the next. Yes, change.
Other right.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This database, I think I have space issue first with my U01.
Put 14.
It's getting full, and I think
Bold.
I clear some stuff just to have some little space to do some things today. Is apply?
Yeah.
So I don't know if it can be an issue with space too. Huh? It's too big now.
That's fine.
All right.
Joseph, what were you doing with this database?
I explained it to you now.
Me?
I thought I explained everything here.
I mean, were you doing a backup, a cloning? What were you doing?
No, I wanted to do a backup. I don't know.
If you move
I wanted to
said
do
he
a hot
moved.
backup, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when I was doing the hot backup, so I just created my directory, I copied. So when I alter database begin backup, that was when I started getting the first error. Like the error came, system, is data file, what was system 01, not consistent. That error which usually comes, so we have, somebody had that error, which says the system, at system 01 is not consistent with the control file older than what. I don't know if I can have that. I don't know how I can explain it. When you had to apply now the redo logs to make it consistent now. So I was trying to do it, it wasn't going. So I went through that process. We said, you can like create new control files now, since they are saying the control files are older and they are not consistent with our system 01. So I was trying now to see if I could create the new control file, or because I tried applying all the redos, it wasn't going. Okay, you see, okay, look at here.
Everyone.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, David.
Yeah, so from here I was trying, this is what I was trying to do now, to apply all of the redos. They were not going because it was telling me, you see like here.
I am.
Okay, Renata, you see here,
Mm-hmm.
you see what it says, right? Needs more recovery to be consistent.
Mm-hmm.
This is a data file that is not consistent with the control file. So I was trying to do it now like this, so I could make it consistent with a redo log, with a redo. So it wasn't going. So that's how I kept going to one error to another, one error to another. You see?
Have you ever cleared your shared memory?
No.
Okay, good. Okay. So put the shutdown about again. Okay. Start up the database. I want to clear. We'll clear the shared memory.
So I just start up.
Oh wait, do the sys reserve. Sys reserve command.
Here. Like,
to do it
comma.
Let me call I don't know if you do it on SQL. Just try.
No, I don't think it can go here. It's an operating
No,
system.
it's an open. Okay. Exit from SQL and do it. Okay, good. So do ES minus
You see, we have memory issues here.
PS minus EF grep Pmon.
PS minus. Mm,
EF
sorry.
EF E as in elephant, F as in
EF.
food.
Remember that command.
Yeah.
Grep
Isa,
Pmon.
Isa, can I
Not the
report?
thing we put it in the
No,
middle.
he has to put in the things in the middle.
There's a slash in the middle.
That's straight slash. Space. No.
No.
Space.
Yeah, I remember it. That's what I'm trying to.
You have to do it's like shift and let me see.
No, it's not slash, it is straight.
It's straight.
It's straight. Yes, I
He
forgot.
knows, but he forgot which command to has to issue.
It is just on top of enter, yes.
Yes,
grep
that
Pmon.
one.
Grep Pmon.
There is no space. There is no space.
I think there's a space.
There is
Just
a
try
space.
to do that one with grep Pmon.
I thought this command was between grep and pmon. That grep pmon.
Grep Pmon.
grep space Pmon. I mean, the database is not started, so this is just to kill the instance.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I
Enter.
I follow one person. They said grep Smon. I need to know why they use Smon.
Myself, I've seen somebody has had this issue, and I can remember.
Joseph, enter.
Wow.
Can you kill those sessions?
You still have sound, music.
Kill minus
Nine.
kill space -9
And the number.
space the
The
Kill
barcode.
everything. 511.
Which one am I killing first? I wanted to start with this
Yes,
one.
see,
2511.
511.
You can put it at the same
25,
time.
space and then you
Space.
put the
or
no
he can
comma.
kill all of them.
You
Yes.
don't need comma, just put space.
Yes, he moved the comma. Space. You kill the second one. 4026 space. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Kill one. Everything.
2, 6, 5.
Oh, Jesus.
Enter, right? That's it.
No such process. Bash kill 18.
Do one by one.
-9 space 11.
Same thing.
Also,
Are we sure we are giving the command well?
Yeah. Okay. Nine.
It's
All
still
right, no
minus.
problem.
Maybe you should go one by one and see if.
That's
He
what I
did.
thought.
He did.
Oh,
He did one.
Okay, that's fine. Just do the IPCRM command.
IPC.
IPCRM minus M.
Say that again.
IPCRM.
oh my! To kill the share memory.
Minus M. Enter. Okay. Do IPCRM minus S. Start up.
Wait, what does the S do?
Oh, so tell me what? Yes, my question S is
'Cause I know
empty.
minus M.
It is the I think the segment or the semaphore.
So
for the
what?
S.
when you issue this command, what are you doing? The IPCRM -S, for example.
Killing the shared memory.
You are killing the shared memory. Then the
Okay.
other one with M, what are you killing?
M, it is shared memory. S, it is semaphore or segment. But I think it's semaphore. The semaphore. Try to start up and connect to SQL and start up your database. Just do the normal startup. Okay. Our class server session terminated.
By fatal error. Wonderful.
Disconnection for
that can be in the alert log, right? You can look for
error
the
fatal.
issue in the alert log.
okay.
Maybe you crash it already. Maybe you crash
You
it.
already crashed it.
Yes.
No crash.
It is not crash. It is where we can arrange everything. Don't be afraid.
I'm laughing like this. Mine's still here. As soon as
after you share your screen, Marine.
I'm tired with it. It took all my weekend.
At least you try, Marinette.
This DBA is something.
Can you people see this?
Are you in the alert log?
Yeah, you can see it up here now, the direction.
No, that's not the path. I don't think it's the path. That's not the path.
What's this now?
Another, I need to record.
Okay, David.
What's the path to go to that alert again, please?
U01 APP Oracle Diac RDB, yes.
Huh?
Yes. And I was still okay.
Database name.
I go to trace or alert.
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 No. Trace. That's the error you just did. Trace. Then
This alert.
When you go to
yes,
alert, it's not the path.
when you actually I've never tried, but I know the path is trace before.
Even that one I try, you can see they are almost the same in another, because where I was before and here, you will see they are almost similar things. Because I remember I opened both of them today and I noticed they contain almost. This one is well arranged. This one is well arranged.
Okay, go all the way down. All the way down.
Dave, mute yourself.
Okay, so
This is where it said terminated by fatal error.
okay.
So I guess we should try to say about these errors. Then from there we can know what to do, maybe from where to go to or what. I don't know. That's just a suggestion.
Argument.
Oh, all right. Terminated by fatal.
We don't have any emeralds here. I'm sorry. I don't know you.
Okay.
It's not easy.
It is a space error.
So it's not a DS minus SH. DF.
Can I go and clear? Can we clear some?
Sorry.
Can we clear? Let me clear some stuff in my U01 because I also have that. I have that issue.
Yo.
Let me exit and we'll go to U01, right? Let me see. Or we can do it from.
From Wednesday. No, it's better to do it so you see how much space you have. Do it from the body.
Anita, did you give Emerald money yesterday?
Yeah,
How much it was?
400.
For all the class?
Yeah.
Oh.
What am I even doing? What am I even doing here?
Let's do DF minus.
DF
Huh?
minus SH.
U01, right?
Don't you want to see your over data too? Like you want to see where you.
Anita, U01, I have space issue here. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah, because it was full the other day. I could not open any of the database, so I had to clear some few stuff. Then I had a little bit of space so I could access the database. That's why you see me doing this now. Like. So let me start like admin. But I don't think I have to remove anything here now because these are my databases, right? So let me leave here. CD slash, that's it.
What is? I don't
No.
understand the.
I want to clear. I want to try to.
Essence of slash at the end.
I
don't understand the essence of that slash at the end.
The slash here.
The CD2 dot slash you just did. I don't understand the essence of it. Like, what is the use of slash?
Do I even know another?
Because you're actually following a path. It is a path you're following, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I want to like.
How can you?
I want to see how I can clear some space now. So I'm trying to see this directory where we can remove some stuff which are not relevant. Or am I not doing the right way? Huh?
I mean, as long as you know what you're doing, that's fine.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to each directory so I can like see things that are inside and then like remove them.
Try to do the way you understand.
All right, you see like here now. You see like this database, you see music, sound, and tone. I have deleted this database, all of them, and I've removed them in the other side. But this particular, when I try removing things here, I don't know, they keep coming back. And it looks like they are keeping a lot of space. You see? You see what I'm talking about? You see, this database does not exist, but you see things that are inside here.
Just remove it.
It is because you deleted the data. You deleted it for DBCA.
What?
Did you delete the database to DBCA?
I deleted it here. I went and deleted it again on my WinSCP. I went again on is it VNC or how did they call that thing? I went and deleted them again there. See, like this lock here. If I remove this thing, it will still come back. Like, look at this trace. You see, like here. That's why I say if it's better to go to WinSCP so we can be seeing all these things. Because here now you just see them. If I remove them here, you will still see them appearing again. That's why I wanted us to go here. I don't know if you understand.
Mm-hmm. Try to do the way you understand so we can see. Everybody can see.
But the thing is, it's doing it and it's coming back again. That means it's not doing the right way.
All right. For example, look at where I am now. Okay, like these tones. This is the same where this is the same position I am right now. Yes. Right. You see, like, okay, for example, look at this trace. You see how it's taking time to load. It's like it's heavy. You see.
The Aura 00603, that's a space issue.
Yeah, that's why you see, like, since I'm trying to open this trace, you see how it's loading. It shows like it's heavy, and I have to clear this file. But when I try doing that, it looks like they keep coming back.
Did you do it in VNC? If you do it in VNC, it's going to delete all this stuff.
Oh, on VNC, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you see, like here, you see all these things I've deleted, and on several occasions they keep coming back.
So try to do on VNC the way she said so we can see.
Or I guess you can do it the way Emerald was doing it the other day. You just remove it from the directory.
From the directory?
So wait, so the command, if you want to remove everything, including the directory, is going to be what? Remove all. Yeah, RM. I know you have to add something to that.
Yes, I know. I think it's going to be like something like, example, RM.
If you want to remove what?
Like this.
Everything plus the directories.
It has to be like this now, RMDIR.
RMDIR is to remove the directory. If you want to remove all, you do it separately. Remove all, then RMDIR all.
FM all.
Actually, I think there's a command that like it deletes everything, including the directory.
And that's RM all. RM and all as in asterisk.
But RM and all, RM does not include the directory. It will tell you the directory.
Yeah, I'm gonna find that command. She was doing it the other day when she was fixing someone's.
You see, like it looks like I even had some space issues some time ago, and I was trying to resolve it. But I'm sure all these things like this are for that same space issue. You see, right? Is this thing even active? So, Marie, can you see?
Marie?
Why is Marie?
Another.
Anita, you say we should remove it here.
What? No, I mean like just delete the database.
Huh?
Go to
DBCA. DBCA. Delete the database and start over. Everything is going to be clear.
Those databases you're talking about, I've already deleted them on DBCA. You will not see them here. The only database you will see here are the ones I'm using now. Just 3: Oral CL, TLS demo, and class 26 that I created during when I was trying to do the exam. I've deleted them here. Go to delete database. You see, you see, they're not here. I already deleted them here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so then just go to WinSCP and delete like the whole directories. That's it.
All right, see, this is where I was, right?
Mm-hmm.
Go to RDBMS.
Yeah, this is where I was.
Just click on RDBMS. Like you can delete the whole directories together because you don't need everything that has to do with tones. You don't need it.
Instead to delete one by one, you said just go to RDBMS. So,
Mommy, can't you see it's loading? I cannot do anything now. You see? Can you see that? See. That thing is space. It's space issue. You see what is happening?
try to open again. It's not responding.
Things are crashing. Let me close it and open it again.
Close and open again.
What? All right. So I should
So
delete
just
from here.
right click and then delete everything. Just remove it. Delete.
I've done this. I think I've done this thing. You will see these things appearing again.
Magical.
Yeah.
It's magical.
Magical. You will
Yeah.
see now.
Because it's yeah.
Okay. I think I had this issue. I called I called Herman. I called him. I told him what was going on. He too told me he had that same issue.
Yes, that's true.
Oh, you remember, right?
Yes.
I tried deleting everything, and after some time,
They keep coming back.
Yes. And this thing, they have a lot of space. I mean, they have a lot of space. Just imagine seeing all these things I had on tones, music, all those database, all use on my U01. This database. You just see it, you sleep, it's okay. You get up in the morning, you just open it and you start having issues. You see how long it's taking?
It's heavy.
Yeah. Renata, how was the program? The program, was it on Friday? How was it? Nothing was said. I tried coming there, but it looks like everyone already left. I called David and Bibish.
Nothing was there.
Just eat and drink.
And dance.
Someone told me actually what was going on there, like it was someone who had a job and he was celebrating. I don't know if that was true.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's what someone told me.
Even Emerald, I didn't see her.
And then they came and told us it's
Emerald.
Program like that.
Someone will have his job and he's celebrating. You will not tell people that someone had his job. You say there is a come together gathering. You make people leave their things. You see how these fights are heavy.
What did you put inside?
Do I even know, Mama?
Somebody has an autonomous dump file.
You have it? I need it.
I need it too.
I pass it. I pass it with 94%.
I was supposed to write today.
I passed autonomous yesterday with 94%.
But why you didn't share your story?
Because the person say he doesn't want to share, but I'm gonna try to negotiate. Yeah, so I'm negotiating. Don't worry.
I was to
all my group will get it. I'm trying to negotiate with him.
I try to negotiate because we do have people who's going to pass tomorrow.
I know. We are together. That's why I'm talking.
Yeah.
So I'm negotiating. Don't worry about that.
I need it because actually I was to take mine today. I had to like reschedule.
Yeah.
Next week.
Yeah.
I never had any dump.
Every OC I pass it to.
Even OCI, my OCI is I think on.
Already, that one was my first certification, the OCI.
Okay.
Mine, I have to write that one. I think on the 10th. I will need that.
You did the cloud to Sakisa. Hello.
Sakis International.
Yeah.
Marinette was calling you.
You did the cloud. We are talking here and at home.
Okay. You're very busy. Okay. Yeah, Bibi.
So Marinette, she's asking something.
Anita, you see how my database is disturbing me now?
I'm asking if you did the cloud yesterday.
She said,
yes.
He said next week.
Next week?
I need also, do you know that Buffett Cash, they pass, everybody in the group pass also the OCP?
What's OCP?
I don't really need that OCP.
No. I think
you have to look for the SQL fundamental.
Yes.
OCP, which one again now? You are just calling the certificate. I said.
That is a professional.
Professional, yes. I'm not
which
professional.
One? Professional for what?
For Oracle.
People are collecting certificates.
I need SQL fundamental.
This certificate, all you people are taking like this.
Even the SQL fundamental, I'm working with that guys for that. I'm going to give you some money. We already arranged. So it's going to work. Don't worry, I'm working on that. Don't give me that program.
You're taking it in school as the normal D1 exam.
Yeah, you can also
can we take it in group?
No, you can take it for
we can take it from group. Like
you're not taking it from group, you're taking it as a normal exam. So
Okay.
You can also do that for person view. It's possible. So
Takisa, you say you are talking with that guy to take SQL exam. I thought they said we are going to take it from Prof.
doesn't matter whether you take it from Prof or you can take for person view too. It's the same thing. Prof can make it for you, or you can go to person view and make it too. It's the same. It's the same exam.
All right.
Akisa, work on autonomous, please.
Takisa, I need an auto and the other one.
It's free. We cannot leave the free girls like
Yeah,
they give us a free.
Yeah. Let me
some-
negotiate with the guys. When I finish to negotiate it, I will, because
Herman,
I'm trying to negotiate. It should be
Herman.
right. I
Yes,
will
Joe.
just know how to talk
See
to
how
him.
heavy these guys are. These
Mine is
directories.
small.
You said?
I say, you see how heavy these directories are?
Yeah.
Just imagine since we started deleting.
Joseph, the time it is deleting, can you just stop sharing your screen and marinate and share?
All right.
Thank you.
Oh Jesus.
I stopped sharing.
Okay, so before we start the class, I wanted to share something with you guys. So I just remembered something. Once I was looking for, I was just going through the DBA jobs, like the jobs offers, and I was looking at the responsibility or what they're asking you to be able to before applying for that job. And it's something that captured me because I was able to answer all what they asked, and I just thought like bringing it to the group. So it was for a normal junior DBA. So the first responsibility, if I would just say, and I would say like I'm asking you guys and you answer, say the next one you answer all those stuff. So the first thing is the position requires a strong understanding of database schema objects, data modeling, and architecture. Everyone knows about the schema objects, right?
What is that, Renata?
You're talking about the
A
schema object
is like
a user.
tables,
Yes. User and its object.
sequence and all. I think I thought it. I said it in the group. Basically, when we talk about objects, you guys should know that objects it's not really objects on its own. When they talk about object, it's either schema object or a non-schema object. The schema objects are usually the normal objects we know, the table, the sequence, the synonyms, and all those stuff. And there's a non-schema object. I don't know if I remember one example of a non-schema object, but yeah, basically they're talking about the schema object, and in most cases it's always the schema object they talk about. So the first thing is the position requires a strong understanding of the database schema object and data modeling and architecture. At least the schema object, I'm expecting everybody to know about the schema objects. As I was saying, the tables, the sequence, the index, the synonyms, everything will be done.
Segment.
The schema objects will be done.
View.
Thank you. So the next thing is will facilitate, implement, monitor, and test database backups and recovery methodologies. When they talk about methodologies, they actually mean the strategies. So we'll facilitate, implement, monitor, and test database backups and recovery methodologies. We all know the backup strategies. We all know the backups and recovery strategies, and everybody knows that, right? I guess yes. in case you're in an interview, for example, and they talk about this, whether you know, like whether you have a fixed idea or not, you need to tell everything. If you're not sure of what you're saying, right? If you don't want to mix up something, you better say everything you know about the backup methodologies. Everything you know, even if it's just a definition or everything you know, not to get confused. Instead of saying a particular thing and you get to realize that what you said wasn't correct, you better say everything you know about it. That's the second one. The third one will monitor and optimize the performance of the production SQL Server database. I guess they're talking about the database performance. I guess this one everybody knows too. I think the database performance is when they talk about the ASM, something like that, ASM and AMM. You can go on chapter 16.
Yes, is that automatic storage management or what?
Automatic storage. I think you can go on chapter 16 of your DB1 and you will see the I think it's performance management, something like that. That was the chapter, performance management. That's the third thing. As I'm going, if you're lost, if you know you don't know something or whatever, just let me know. The fourth thing is responsibilities for database security, integrity, high availability, and disaster recovery solution.
I'm not interrupting. Do you like have this thing like you could share to us after this?
All right, no problem.
Oh, thank you. Like in the group, thank you.
Okay. So they said that the responsibility for database security and disaster recovery solution. Database security, I think database security on its own is it might be a chapter, but if they ask you something like that, when I mean database security, securing your database, like just securing your database.
Like coding like coding, like is it how did it?
Transparent, exactly. The transparent data encryption we did last time.
Yeah.
And auditing is another, reviews is another. Like in a phrase, for example, in a sentence, they give you one sentence like this. Just pick up the ones you know. If you don't know, it might give you 4 keywords. In those 4 keywords, if you know you're not sure, just pick up the one you know. Actually, you can answer. You're not obliged to answer everything. If you take one and explain that one correctly, then you're good to go. For example, this statement, responsible for database security, integrity, reliability, high availability, and disaster recovery solution. All this integrity, reliability, high availability, I for myself, I don't know about it, but I know at least that for the database security and the recovery solution, that one I know, and I know I can explain that one correctly. I don't need to go inside all the keywords, but I take the ones I can explain. So the database security, it is the transparent data encryption we did last time. There's the auditing we did in DB1, and there's the views to secure your database. We did the recovery, all the recovery solutions. Recovering your database from from the loss of control file, from the loss of this, from the loss of that. That one we did it. The next one was saying that identify and troubleshoot the database. At least you can troubleshoot one thing. That means if there's an error, at least one error you can troubleshoot. No, at least you can troubleshoot one error and you can solve one error. Even if you don't, you cannot know all the solutions, but at least I for myself, I know that if I say, for example, yesterday when I saw the error that guy had, I knew that I had already done it, so I can solve it, and like few other errors, so I can troubleshoot and I can solve it, and that's what this statement acts like: identify and troubleshoot database issues and implement solutions. The next one, I guess everybody can at least, if yes, Marinette.
And I think the better way to really let people understand is to share all the questions so that maybe we can look for the answer, or if the
It is.
answer
It is not a question. It is not a question.
if you are reading like that, I don't think so. Somebody can.
No, I will share it in the group. Actually, it's not a question. I was just going through some database. How do they call it? Those things on Indeed and whatever job site you have. I was just going through the responsibility, what they asked to in this particular job and this job opportunity. So that's what I'm reading. It's not a question. So, but at the end of the day, I will send it in the group. So, the next thing is monitor your file system space. Verify efficient use of this storage. Optimize space allocation. This is basically what we're doing with Joseph right now. About your space, how to fix your space errors, how to do this, how to do this with the space, and all those stuffs. And the next thing is provide 24/7 on-call support on a rotational basis. That means that you can be available 24 hours and 7 days, like, you know what I mean, on-call support on a rotational basis. Create database views, creation of scripts, database foreign keys and indexes. We all know how to create a view. We all know how to do database indexes, create a script. Okay.
I don't know about indexes.
You don't know about indexes.
Maybe
okay.
But I don't know exactly.
Yeah, actually, indexes. The best way to explain indexes is practicing. It is practicing actually, because actually I don't know. Like I cannot tell you much about index, but practicing, I know I can explain it. So the next one says troubleshoot database performance. Database, it is the same one as the performance management in chapter 16, I guess. Yes. Using SQL.
Excuse me, please. When they say, like for example, when they say troubleshoot, say that again, troubleshoot database performance, is that what you said?
Uh-huh.
All right, if they say like this troubleshooting thing, I don't know, I want to get a better clue about it. If they say troubleshoot database performance, like what do they actually want you to do?
Okay, if they say troubleshoot database performance, that means, for example, if the performance of a database is not normal,
Like
maybe maybe due to something is taking my space, or something is something is
so
lost.
for example, like space is causing it to slow.
Yeah, I need to troubleshoot. I need to know why my why is the performance of my database
Solve that problem
low, and all those things.
It's just like, okay, for example, if it's space, you have to identify that it's space and then you solve it.
Exactly. When they say troubleshoot, it's identified. What we're doing on your database, Joseph, we were trying to troubleshoot, knowing what the problem is.
Identifying and solving.
Identify. If you
when you find that issue, you can solve it.
Exactly.
To identify, you cannot solve.
You have to.
You have to solve. When you identify,
you have just troubled, you have not shoot.
Yeah, you have troubleshoot it. Now you can solve it. If you know the problem, at least you find a solution, or at least you have to know what the problem is. For example, if I want to multiplex my Redulog file, and they tell me that I have an archive Redulog. On archive Redulog, I need to troubleshoot it and know that no, the solution for this is I need to switch my redo log, switch my alter database, alter system switch. Yeah, I need to switch my redo log to be able to multiplex and archive redo log. So I know I've troubleshooted it and I've find the solution. So that's it. The next one says migrate data from one database to another using SQL. Migrate data from one database to another using SQL. I guess this one everybody too knows. For example, this thing might be this migrating database. It is on chapter 9. I think it's chapter 9, where we talk about the transportable database and the transportable table spaces. Okay. It's noise somewhere. I don't know if it's. Okay. I'm trying to see where the noise is coming from. All right. So the next one was saying that migrate database data from one database to another. Chapter 9, when we're talking about the migrating the database using transportable database or transportable table spaces. The next one says import and export data to files using SQL import/export tool. What is the tool to import and export? What is the tool to import and export? We did it yesterday.
Is that a data pump?
Thank you. Data pump. Data pump. As simple as that.
Yes.
So the next one says install SQL Server. We just install the SQL Server as we did in DB1, installing our server. Your enterprise is surely going to send you the email as Prof did, and you install your SQL Server. That's all. So you can go and apply for this job. It is so deep, dry, empty. That's it. I'll send it in the group now.
How many questions did they give?
Huh?
How many questions?
It is not a question. It is when you're going on Indeed to apply
It's
for
like
a job.
Interview, right?
Exactly.
No,
That
like-
the responsibility.
like
They tell you that.
I understand
Okay,
what we're talking about. It's just
I just sent it in the group.
the job description, like what is
Exactly.
expected
The
of
job.
you.
Okay, the description.
What
I
is
sent it in the
what
group.
is
You guys.
expected of you? Like when you want to go for the interview, you have to make sure you practice all those things because
All those things. Yes. I sent it in the group.
So you can be eligible for that.
You can go apply it. I don't know which state is NC. It is NC.
And you are eligible if you know everything there.
Of course.
That's it. So I just went through it and I was like, man, that's all we did. Okay. So we can solve my next problem. Okay, Marinette, you were trying to do the backup, right? The Alman backup, the image copy backup.
The image.
Yeah, did you change the destination of your the destination of your backup?
Yes, I did, and it become worse. I mean, like more than the before. So
You changed the destination and the size, right?
not the size, just
Change the size too.
do you want me to just
Oh, show parameter recovery.
let me show parameter. Oh, this one.
You did not change the destination. The destination is still that destination. You need to put it in FRA.
I did.
Maybe it was not on this database. So go ahead and change the destination and the size. Alter database set DB underscore. Set. Just go ahead and copy and paste. And just copy DB underscore recovery underscore file underscore this. Paste it. Or you can go ahead and type it if you want. Yes. No, change the destination first. On top of it, change the destination first. There's the destination on top. Yes.
Oh no.
You needed to put equals.
Not a part.
No, you needed to put equals that or data slash FRAS equals scope equals SP5. Equals no equals slash or data space slash or data slash FRA. You open the strings. FRA, close the string. Scope equals SP5. Set DB underscore. Try to alter system instead.
I didn't get you.
Try to alter system instead of alter database. Alter system. Don't know if it's alter system or alter database, but try copy and paste. Copy and paste. Set. Yes. Paste. Okay. Do the same thing for the size. If anybody has a question or if anybody does not understand what we're doing, what we're trying to do. Equals, you can put 30. 30 megabytes.
Desmond.
This one is in a meeting.
It's equal. Equal.
Equals, equals 30 M.
I have to put the ciphers, right?
No, equals. You're trying to set the size, so you put equals 30 M. Then you scope equals.
So now I can back up and say,
No, you can create P5 from SP5.
I don't know, for some reason, I cannot see the bottom of her screen, what she's even typing.
is it small or?
No, like, Renata complained about the same thing last time. I don't know.
Yeah, I see what you're
What she
saying.
typing, I cannot see.
Create P5 from SP5. You can now open your database. Make sure your database is open. Then you connect to Arman. Also, database open. Okay, good. Connect to exit and connect to Arman. Okay, auto database backup as auto database backup as copy. Okay. Auto database backup as you don't what am I saying? Remove the auto database, please. Backup as copy. Backup database as copy archive flow. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Backup.
I was
as
thinking that's a new
copy.
command.
No, that's fine. I want to backup. Let me just. Is it backup as copy? Backup as copy database plus archive flow. Is it that one?
You want to back up the whole database?
No, I want to do an image copy.
Image copy
Uh-huh.
of the whole database, right?
Yep.
There is backup as copy, database plus archive log.
Thank you. Backup as copy database plus archive log. Enter.
I hope
I think I needed to mount the database too. Cannot backup. Oh, active file in no. Okay.
Database is not in
The database is not in
archive
archive
mode.
log mode. Exit and put your database in archive log mode. Exit and connect back to. Exit. Okay, connect back to SQL. Alter database archive log.
No, Renata, She's got to shut down our startup mount.
Oh yeah, that's true. Shut down immediate and start off now. Okay, I guess everybody is saying your image copy, before doing the image copy, your database needs to be in the archive block mode. Okay, start up mount. Auto database archive block.
Oh no,
Yes.
I make a mistake.
Oh yeah, typo. Alt, wait a bit. Alt. Ah, there's a typo.
Yeah.
Archive.
Yeah,
It's not-
enter. Okay, you can go ahead and connect back to SQL, to Alman.
To do archive log
Exit
list.
from SQL.
Yeah. Or you can create the SP file from P file. The P file from SP file.
You don't need to.
You don't need to.
No, I don't think so. Exit from SQL and connect to Alman.
And then back up now, right?
Backup as backup as copy full.
What are they saying not open here? Connected to target database or a bit.
Oh,
Open.
What is it?
Oh, here, the last one. They said that the
Connected to
not open. Yeah, that is
okay, exit and open. Go to SQL Plus. Always make sure your database is open, but I don't know. Okay, we shut down the database. Always make sure your database is open when you want to connect to Alman. So exit and alter database open.
alter database open.
Open here. So exit from SQL and connect back to Alman. Full database plus archive log. Okay. Backup as copy. I thought it was backup as copy full database plus archive log.
Error again.
Error from target database. Log tree sequence cannot be archived. Okay. Error backup plus archive log command. Limit exceeded for recovery file. Exceeded for recovery file cannot be seen. This space.
Hi, database.
other jobs. I didn't know that apply backup set. Okay. List failure.
Huh?
Do the list failure.
List.
List failure.
Semicolon.
Uh-huh.
No failure.
No failure.
Figures.
Okay. Cannot be clean.
It seems like the problem is
Yes.
the space.
The space, but we changed
The space.
show parameter recovery again. Exit from Almond and show parameter recovery. Channel over this.
Connect to SQL. Connect to SQL.
You see, this is the initial space.
Connect to SQL. Connect to SQL.
She knows she's going to.
Okay, show parameter recovery. No, recovery. Show parameter recovery. You have a lot of parameters. Parameter recovery.
It's big. It's like 30.
Okay.
So she can check her space too.
The space of the database itself.
Yeah.
I think the problem is on the recovery area.
Or the space?
You
The
see?
space is, the thing is not in the recovery. That's why then there's no. I mean the space is okay. When we show parameter recovery 30M and she haven't used anything yet. So okay. Go back to the errors. Just scroll up where they put the errors. No, I mean, let's scroll up where there was the errors when we did the backup. When we tried to do the backup.
No.
Scroll up again. We cannot
No,
see
she
it.
can.
Yeah.
What
Oh,
could be?
yeah, I should have. Not it.
Wow. The problem. Okay, try to do the backup set. Like try to do an Almond backup set. Connect to Almond again.
Oh, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Does she create the SP file from P file after setting up the recovery area?
No.
No.
No, I didn't see.
I think maybe she has
She
to.
created the page file from the SP file. She did it.
She did?
I'm pretty sure. Yes.
But when you shut down the database, does that one work again?
But you can go up to check now if they did it or not. We can go up and check now, right?
Go up where?
Where?
No, he's asking if you created a file. Is it? I thought they did it now. If you
No, we did it when we were changing the destination on the site. After changing it, we created a P file from SP file.
All right.
Yeah, they
So,
did it. I remember.
Yes. I don't know what. Okay, you just try and do the backup set. Connect back to Almond. Okay, backup database. That's the command. Backup database. Okay.
It's the same issue.
Yeah, it is the space error. Failure of backup command on Oratis channel. So this time doesn't show that apply backups. Okay, let me just say something. They are basically backup database.
Bye.
Let me see something. Okay, try to do the. I'm trying to see what one is, but it's still gonna do the same. Try to back up incremental level 0 database. It's still gonna give that error. Incremental level 0 database. What type of backup is that? Incremental level 0.
The one that we just did.
No. Incremental level 0 backup. What type of backup is that?
Like full database backup now.
You back up since the first day.
Full database backup from day one, like that day one backup of the whole database.
Incremental level 0 backup.
Yes, it's like you are backing up since the first day.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Backup incremental level 0 database.
It's a full backup.
Exactly.
Since the last day.
Exactly. It is a full backup. That's the word I was looking for. Full backup.
You're becoming prof. You need everything together. You don't need straight to the answer.
Marinate database. Okay. We need extended for recovery file. Did you do a normal user managed backup?
If I did a normal user management.
That's an incremental level 0 data file backup set. Define database.
Herman, put your knowledge.
Specify in backup set. I say that's even true. Monica, Anita.
They're just quiet. Put your knowledge, guys. Sakisa, forget about Sakisa.
Anita, Monica.
David.
They're out. Desmond.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna try to do a normal user managed hot backup and see whether it works. So exit from Arman.
But have you checked if she has a user man any hot backup here?
Anyway.
I don't know if it you can do as many user managed backups as possible.
Yeah, because
So
like there's no essence of doing 2 hot backup when you already had another one. Like you can just delete the old one, then do the new one. That's what I was.
No, I just want to see whether it's gonna give this error too.
All right. Okay.
So exit from Arman. Sakisa.
Menalda. Leave Sakisa.
I have a question for Sakisa. David. Sakisa, David.
Yes, Renalda.
Thank you. So Marinette is trying to do the user managed hot backup, what is the first thing you advise her to do? She's trying to carry out a user managed hot backup. What is the first thing you ask her to do as a DBA?
I try my best with her, but didn't succeed. I don't know what happened.
You did not understand my question. I said she's trying to do a user managed hot backup, right? You as a DBA, what is the first thing you ask somebody to do if she wants to do a user managed hot backup?
I will create a directory.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay. Takisa.
Why you say okay when I don't know?
Because I'm expecting you to know.
No, why you say okay?
No, I am expecting you to know because I've sung this song several times in this group. You guys can say I'm like, I mean,
The first thing
Can
is
I try?
to know.
no, I don't want division or Joseph. Takisa. It is
Before
Takisa that I
when
want.
now before I ask that question, we need to fix first this problem.
So that's why she's asking the question.
I'm trying to fix the problem, right? I've thought about this thing several times, not once, not twice, not thrice. A lot of times I've thought about this backups issue. How to do the backup. I'm not even talking about, I'm talking about a normal user managed backup. What is the first thing you need to do? Sakisa, it is even Sakisa. Sakisa is not connected.
Let us just go ahead and do it.
Create
a directory and then we shut down.
Thank you. You create your backup directory. You look for look for the
your
you
file
check the
location.
location of your
The location
files.
of your data file.
You copy.
You put your database in the backup mode. Then you just copy.
You just copy. That's all. You have to begin backup and end backup. Don't forget that.
Yes. There's a space magnet. Put a space in between. Honestly, you guys can forget everything, but backups, import and export and cloning. You don't have to forget it.
Let's take I-495 West and I-490.
Who wants to take I-491 West?
Who?
Me. I was checking an address so to see how many minutes.
You need to put the exclamation sign, Marinette. You're on SQL Plus.
Oh, yeah. How is it again?
You did not copy it correctly.
Hot has to be capital letter or?
It depends on you. You're not even obliged to put that hot or whatever thing. Very casual. Okay, good. Now you can look for the look for the location of your different files. Identify the location of your different file. Select name from $, this, select this from this. Have you tried to multiplex anything with this database?
Huh?
Have you tried multiplexing anything with this database?
No.
Okay. Selecting from data file.
Sakis International. Mr. OCP. OCR. He just
Okay, you need to prove all those.
Yes.
Those certifications. So, okay, you can just do the union. Good job, Marinette.
Data, okay.
There's a space in between select and
Oh.
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy. That they call you like 1,000 times.
Yep.
Daddy.
There's a typo, remember.
Select, even select.
Oh. I'm wasting time. The thing now. Oh my God. No, it's no.
You can just stop at temp file if you want. If you've not multiplexed the control file, that means that's okay. You'll be in the same directory.
It's not moving, it's slow. Oh.
Union, Marina, check your union also.
Yes, I'm waiting for
the server.
Yes.
Connection.
Okay. Everything is okay, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if the member has S or no, but go ahead.
Huh?
It has S.
Members.
But that's fine.
It's members?
Always as members.
Yeah, this is good.
They said, let me see.
That means it is without S.
It's without S?
Yes.
For
I mean, the
union
thing is
or?
that, no, not with for you. The thing is that it is either when you select from $log that has S or either the contrary.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's before. Yeah. One is for log files,
And one is for plus, yeah. Yes, remove the S.
She was right.
Member from.
We are finally done with DB2. Are you guys ready for projects?
No, I'm going. I'm following.
Okay, everything is in /data/ORCL. Yeah. So yeah, you can go ahead and put your database in the backup mode. Auto database begin backup. Okay, good. I'm trying to do the backup. That means I'm hopping from where to where?
Huh?
I'm trying to do the backup. That means I'm hopping from where to where?
From the live location to the
Backup location. Thank you.
Okay.
So do the cp command.
Exclamation CP.
Oh, I always.
So do you have any news from do you hear from Aaron? He passed the DB2 or what? Enagda.
You're asking to his best friend, right?
My best friend.
No, himself.
Pass the DB2 her. I thought they said he went back to start all over again. Then you say
So
pass
that's why I'm asking. Maybe he passed
Are
his.
you even sure he went back? Maybe he looked for another thing. I don't know. I don't know. Those are characters are not sense, whatever.
Wait.
No.
Wait, what are you doing? You are copying from the live location to your backup location.
Your live location is ORCL, right?
Yes. So copy CP/ORData. Remove that.
ORData
Remove the
/ORCL.
directory you put with all. All is at the end.
Remove backup.
If remove everything.
Yes.
CP/ORData ORCL.
/ORCL/all. Space. Put the backup.
Yeah. /backup.
I'm sure there was not some hot something.
Hot ORCL.
Hot ORCL. That's put the one you just created. You need to be sure that is the directory. I'm sure it's the directory you created. /ORData/backup/ORCL.
Just go up and check now to confirm.
Yeah,
please.
go up and check. Okay.
You create MKDR. Yes, it's ORCL. She's right.
Okay. ORCL. You can now enter. Yeah, enter.
This is where I started having this problem with this database. When I altered this, when I copied that, I altered it. Just they started telling me rubbish. Said that is not consistent with what.
I'm waiting to, right?
Because they told me it looks like there was an inconsistent shutdown. So the data file did not match with control file. The control file is what is old.
Normally, if there's an inconsistent shutdown and if you're doing a hot backup, it doesn't matter because hot backup is inconsistent. So if there's an
You say hot
inconsistent,
backup is inconsistent.
Yes.
Inconsistent backup.
So why did they tell me that?
If you do the inconsistent shutdown, it doesn't matter.
Please, I have a question. So why is it that it's better to recover the database restore the database with a hot backup, that you can't do it with a cold backup?
Because you can do it while the database is up and running, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't lose any file, you don't lose anything.
No, because I remember when we were doing this thing, you know, she always say it's better to do it with a hot backup than a cold backup.
Yes, because the
I mean,
hot
I
backup,
guess
like,
it is because the database is up and running when you do it.
so you don't lose data.
You don't lose anything when you're doing with the cold backup databases. I guess the
And you
database
lose
is
data
down.
because the code, when the database is not in archive log mode.
Okay.
So when it's down, you cannot archive all the informations which are taking place while the database is down.
Magnet and your backup. Everything went up.
With the hot backup, since the database must be in archive log before you do the hot backup, it means even if you lost anything, since they are being archived, you can easily
recover. Yeah.
But I don't understand why you say it's an inconsistent backup.
Another name for hot backup is what? It's inconsistent backup. Normally, it is called an inconsistent backup or hot backup or online backup.
It's like inconsistency.
It is the same as cold backup. Another name for cold backup is consistent backup or offline backup.
You are done now. Let me share my screen and let's try. I think.
Oh, it's really
okay. Yeah, she's done. Okay, you will see. You exit from SQL Plus and see the directory to see whether it works. Just wait a second.
Oh yeah, we are not done. Oh, sorry. I thought we are done. Sorry.
Please.
I forgot we are trying to solve another.
Marinette, you see Joseph, right? You see the way Joseph reacts when he's.
I have a question for you.
Interest.
I have a question. Marinette, please scroll up a little bit, just a little bit. I want to see all the files. Okay, no, down again a little bit. Okay, good. So, what are the two critical files? Yeah.
System and
control file and
undo
Angel.
No, it's 6. So no.
System and undo.
System and undo.
Right.
I get confusion.
Maybe she's confusing herself.
Why are you confusing me?
That's good.
Oh my God.
You know, when you know something, sometimes you are confused.
The other ones are the non-system data file, 6out and all the rest. 6out example and all the rest until even the data files you create from the table spaces are the non-system data file. Okay, Magnet, you can go down and see what I finished.
It's undo and system, right?
Yes,
undo and system.
And I'm trying to follow that man on YouTube. Is really good. I'm back to school online.
Why it's taking long?
No, it's 9 minutes, 5 minutes. It's explaining everything. I will send the link to the group so everybody can be fresh. So that's why you see that time Bibi try to answer to those questions. I was quiet. Oh my God. Oh. I'm trying to go back and start over everything, every day. So you end your backup. It's like slow. It's 9 o'clock already. We didn't start even on share screen. Oh my God.
It shouldn't be taking this long.
Yeah. Oh my God. Only 2 persons. Oh my God.
Do you have other SQL open, other putties?
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't really know why it's taking long.
Bibish, what device are you using?
Oh, which one are you talking about? My computer?
Device, because when you look at your name, it looks different.
Really?
Is it your phone?
No, my computer.
Really? It doesn't have camera?
I don't know why. I do have it, but
maybe you have to enable it in the settings.
I used to have, I use it when I take my OCA. I don't know why since like 2 weeks it start like.
Oh.
Hi everybody.
Hi.
Hi Corinne.
Yeah, sorry for the late. I was so far.
I was waiting for you to come
and to fix my net issue.
What's your issue? What is your issue? You have
they
it.
say you're a good DBA, so we can.
You have all the big DBA on with you. You have a Monica, you have Emma, you have Anita, Renalda. I don't think so. You need me.
So they say you are expert on it.
Marinette, everything, everybody.
We need Monica.
They say you are a really good person on that, so you can solve it.
Okay.
Desmond.
Desmond is in a meeting. Marinette, can you just Control C and
yeah, Bibi, I'm there. Bibi, I'm there.
Do it again.
Sakisa, we need you.
There. Marinette, please Control C and do it again.
Bibi, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Oh, thank you, Desmond. I thought you are in the kitchen.
I'm still a little bit busy.
No, don't copy any your backup. Or just you've already done the backup, just any.
I'm just confused. Oh my God.
So tomorrow we do have class.
Okay, so the Marinette, the server is really slow. I don't know why. That's not even what I was programming to do today. We cannot even do it no more. Anyway, okay. So last class, you guys said you were going to go back.
Wait, we have to come back to this issue, Renata. I've cleared that space. Let's try.
Okay.
All my database are down. All of them are down. I don't want to create another database to start over. I don't want.
Okay. Marinette, stop sharing your screen.
It's not Renata's fault. Nobody's yourself.
Since morning, I called Anita today. Like since morning, I've been up. So please, I'm seeing.
Okay, Marinette, please stop sharing your screen until your backup ends. Joseph, you didn't finish deleting.
What's the problem with?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm still deleting some other.
What's the problem with Marinette's database?
It's
Marinette cannot carry on an image copy backup.
It can't carry an image copy backup.
Yeah, an almond backup on And I want backup because we even tried the backup said it didn't work. So we're trying to see whether the user managed backup is going to work, and of course it works. So I don't know
Did she check
why
the maybe she didn't put the right data for the parameter. Did you check the
She solved it.
She did that?
Yeah, they solved it.
Data for the parameter, what do you mean by that?
Oh, you guys already solved it.
Yeah, so we need to fix for
my
Joe.
next problem is not yet solved.
Not yet.
No. Actually, the reason why we're doing the user managed backup was to see whether they're going to give the same error, the same email, the same storage error, but it did not. So the user managed backup worked, but when we try to do the okay, after Joseph, I think I had that from.
Look where I am. I just want to see if I can go here because I've cleared these ones here, right? So we're good here now. So here I want to go to the. I can also go here to clear some stuff because I'm seeing some things that I don't.
Oh, don't clear anything there. You don't need to be in there.
The trace and the alert, nothing.
That's the listener. For the listener, I don't think you need to be clearing anything.
All right. So we go.
I guess you can, but like I don't. It shouldn't be much in there.
All right. Let me leave there now. So should we start with a new session or I go back? Yeah.
If it's still, just go ahead and try to. It's still active. If you've cleared everything,
let's just open a new session. You know, with the new development of space.
so just duplicate the session. That's right.
No problem.
Okay. So as I was saying, last class you guys were supposed to go and read the last chapter. So I guess everyone read it and everyone is ready for the question.
One last chapter.
The last chapter about the transparent data encryption.
That's chapter 12.
The chapter before the one.
Okay, here we are now.
Okay, start up your database.
You see?
Oh, yeah, Joseph, stop praying.
I'm already doing that. I'm doing that already. Don't mention.
Hey,
this open.
See, it was the space issue.
You see this? I said this database
all day.
All day I've been like, let me see something. Look. You
it's
see
the
my tab.
space problem. I can understand.
You see my tab. Look, I've done all kind of Google search today.
Hey, Joe.
Yeah, bro.
You see that the problem was the space, right?
The problem was the space.
You see?
Make sure that he deleted everything that is not back.
And that is how I could have gone and scratched this nonsense. Thank you guys so much. Then wait, please.
Oh, Joseph.
No. We are learning. It's good to troubleshoot.
I know, but when you are you have an issue, everybody has that same issue. Oh my God.
See, I send my messages in the group. Let me show you people the other one too before I die here. That one that I multiplexed without knowing, I went and removed control files.
So you don't have control file in that database?
No, I multiplexed, right? But it looks like I had it back. Let me check if I had it back up there even.
They gave it to me like today, so. I'm going to just start it. You're going to go at the end of the month.
Whenever I finish. Wait, if I had the backup, it could have appeared here, right?
Huh?
It will be before that.
If you have the backup, that means you have your backup directory, right?
Yeah.
So you need to see the inside the backup directory and not your live location.
Okay.
I'll take some of the stuff over there.
Okay.
And you see, it looks like, let me see. Looks like here I made an error.
Okay, go
I
ahead
went
and
and
list
did my
it.
backup, like you see, hot CLS demo instead of oral CL, it was hot CLS demo.
That's
But I guess
fine,
it
no
doesn't matter.
problem. That means
So
you have
just connect to SQL.
Yeah.
that means you have the backup.
Yeah. So I removed. Okay, you see here, I removed the control files. You understand? So I was
Okay,
trying.
wait a second. CD/our/data/backup/hot/CLS demo.
Sorry.
CD/our/data/backup/hot/CLS demo.
I'm already on. I just had to go now to CD hot CLS demo because I'm already on.
Yeah, for example, yeah. CD hot/CLS demo.
Joseph, I can't see the bottom of your screen. Can you move your screen a little bit up?
Okay, good. You have the backup, but you have no control file. Oh, you have control
one and two.
Yeah.
But that's for TLSDM or,
Okay. Yes.
or ORCM.
Okay. No. Okay. Listen.
It is for ORCM. Just that the directory
The directory.
created,
Yeah.
He put hot CLS demo.
Yeah. Okay. Now. See,
What is your question?
Right, another. See what happened now, right? You see, like here, the backup I had is for 2 control files. You understand? But now, the pre-exam, I did now the multiplex of the control files now to 5. Now, and I don't have a backup now of that control files, which contains the 5 control files. So the backup I have is 2 control files.
All right, good. I think we did it last one class like this. Okay.
Yeah, so
when it happens, if your control files are in other directories, right? For example, if you multiplex 5 control files and 2 of them are in /our/data/myctl, you have to back up the myctl too.
Yeah, that's what I was ready to say.
You need to back up the myctl
He didn't back up all his control.
He didn't back up all the control exactly.
Because the tree order is on different directory.
That's why I'm saying that this backup was done before I did the control, the multiplexing. And after the multiplexing, I did not do a backup again. That's it. So now today I came now to do the after you lost control files now, I went and removed my control files. So when I did not restore, when I was trying to recover, I could not recover now because the control files did not match. So that's the issue now with this one. So we have.
Wait, before recovery, you need to back up.
That's the error I made. That's the error I made before even removing the control files. Even I was supposed to do a hot backup. I just forgot. Like seriously, I was supposed to do it, but I just forgot.
Okay.
Because if I did a hot backup and then I removed everything, I could have been good.
Yeah.
So because
so in the live location, you don't have control files.
Huh?
In the live location, do you have control files? Just call up, please.
No, I told you I removed them now. This is my live location here before. This is it.
Backup,
okay, then you can recover from your backup location to your live location. That's what recovery is all about.
You don't wait. On my live location, right? I had 5 control files.
No problem. Recover the 2 and multiplex it.
Yeah, because they're all identical.
All right. So
recover.
Let me go to SQL. Okay, yeah.
First, did you want to see how many is in your system? So select the name from $v control file to see if you have 5 in there.
Exactly. Your database was you were not connected. You were connected on either instance.
You added yes.
So all are not available.
Sorry?
You are connected
all
to
not
item
available.
instance. Your database
Shut
is
down
not-
again. Shut down your database and connect back.
It has to be shut down about, right? Because there are no control files.
Shut down about. Okay, you can now start up. Okay, good. You don't have control file. Check event log for more. Okay, what are we even doing? When you don't have a control file, your database cannot mount, your database cannot do anything. So exit and
Shut down about
CP.
again. Shut down about again, and you multiplex.
Okay,
Because
shut
I
down
see
about
you already
again.
have two control files, right?
One second, guy.
No, there are no control files here because I already removed them. But I have control files. I have two
In
control
his
files on my
backup.
backup location.
So he needs to recover from the backup back to the live location before trying to start up your database.
Multiplex. Exactly.
So,
wait, so how many control files did you delete? Did you only delete 3, 4, and 5?
I deleted 5.
He deleted all the control files from his live location, and on the backup, he just back up the 2 control files, control 1 and 2. So that's what he's going to recover, and he will multiplex again.
Looks like they have not understood. Let me explain it. Normally, I had 2 control files. The pre-exam, the exam that Emerald gave now, there is a question there which says we should multiplex the control files. So the backup I have is a backup I took before I did the multiplexing. So the backup have 2 control files, but now my live location, before I removed the control files, I had 5 control files that I removed. Okay, so now I'm trying, the backup now has only 2 control files, which means if I try to recover, I will only recover 2, but I removed 5.
That's why we're saying that try to multiplex those 2 you have. Just try to recreate the 4th and the 5th from those 2 you have. The 3rd, 4th, and 5th control files.
So from here?
Yes, do the CP command.
Well, you want to do the CP command here, you need to shut down your
abort first.
Shut down abort.
And you do the CP command and try to recreate those files. Maybe now when...
But he has to alter the database too, right?
Alter the database what?
Mount or something.
You cannot mount your database with no control file.
Yes, cannot be mounted, nothing.
The problem is that he has already, if I understand well, the control files should be indicating already in his P file, right? Your control file should be indicating your P file, right?
They should be, yeah.
It means that it's not going to identify except all the 5 control files that your P files are indicating are present. So you have to recreate the 3rd, 4th, and 5th control files.
You know what?
You can actually go into...
Yeah, that's true. Just
go into, maybe just to make sure, just go and let us look at your P file. Go to WinSCP and let's look at your P file.
Exactly, go to WinSCP.
It probably still has those 5 control files in there.
Exactly. So what he needs to do now is do the CP command.
Use 01.
APP. Oracle.
Joseph, if they tell you where those control files are, they have to beat you up.
Huh?
If they tell you where the P file is found, they have to beat you up.
Boy, see.
DB1. DBS. DBS. Init.
Which one?
You want to pay for the
control down now. Is init something?
Init your database name.
Here it is.
Okay. So you have exactly 5 control files.
So I copy them.
No, you now have to do the CP command and make sure that you put them in those locations that this P file is indicating. Apparently, 2 should be found in oradata/orcl 3, and then
no. What are you doing?
No, I'm not
have
sure.
to do the CP command for 3, 4.
Wait. Joseph, go to your alert log and see.
I should go to my alert log.
I don't know if I'm not the one on that. Go to your alert log.
Let me explain it to you, Renalda. This database will never open except control files are found exactly where
that's the problem.
These locations are indicated in the P file. If it does
Exactly.
not have any control files in these locations, they are not going to work.
Yeah, so we have to make the control files to be exactly like this.
That's
So
what
what
you're
you
saying.
have-
Go to
So
your
just
alert log.
go ahead and
say-
copy control 3, 4,
Which
and
one
5.
am I doing?
Which
Alert
one?
log or copy? Which
Okay,
No,
it
go
doesn't hurt.
copy.
Just go to your alert log.
Okay.
If I copy CB,
Yes.
I mean, you
They're
already have an
learning.
idea of what you should do.
Just APP.
They are trying. We are trying to
Oracle.
troubleshoot.
No. Yes. Oracle. Yeah. Oracle. Jag. RDBMS. Oracle. Trace. Alert. Go down. So unable to cannot open. Okay, good. So for example, when I want to know the error if I want to know the error in which database, which control file has the problem, when I come to this alert log, when they say cannot open the specified control, what? That means even control 01 hasn't copied, not copy even the control 01. So you need to copy everything. 01, 02, 03. Scroll up.
Wait, what do you mean I did not copy anything? Backup has 2 now. You
Cannot
said
open the specified control file. That's what it's written. I'm not the one who wrote it.
that's why you said I did not copy now. That's why I said I don't understand what you mean by I did not
Did
copy.
you finish
The
the
CP command.
recovery?
The CP command.
Did
You
the
already
CP
did
command
that.
everything work?
When? The CP command when?
When you want to multiplex now, after altering the system, you CP or you do not do
After
that.
multiplexing.
No. The first thing you do is alter system, you set all your control files, right? Set the directories, everything.
Wait, I don't understand what you are really talking about now.
He already did that, or it wouldn't be showing it when
He has
he's
already
listing slash
altered the
data.
system.
He
and
altered
set
the
control
system, but
files.
the CP did not work.
Exactly.
That's the reason why you
Or he
say
said he deleted the
cannot
CPs.
open.
So now he has to recreate those CPs again.
That means he has to you copy everything again from control 01 to control 05.
Nah, but he just needs to put
No,
CP.
just
put
to double
CP.
check, go to your slash or data slash ORCL and see if you see your control 01 there.
On my winner CP.
Yeah.
I thought there were 2 control files in
Or
there.
a data. Okay, so can you refresh? Yeah, so there is no, so you just have to.
There is no
You didn't finish the
You
recovery.
people don't understand. I removed these control files. How do you want to see them here again?
No,
From the backup, where's your bring those control files from your backup location and put them there.
I should bring
Even
them.
in the backup, you just have control 01 and 2.
Yes,
yeah,
no
that is
problem.
why I told you people that the ones that are there are the ones that I did a backup before I did a multiplexing.
No problem. Bring them. Bring them in.
Yeah, just recover. You can because your database is not.
No, he cannot. He cannot. The problem is that from what Desmond explained to me, he needs to CP all the control files before being able to do whatever he wants to do.
But can you just please let's just try something. I want him to first bring those 2 control files, restore them into this live location. Those 2 backup control files. It will not hurt him. Do the CP command and bring them there.
Do the CP
All right.
command.
So here.
Yes.
CP.
Bring those 2 control files from your backup location into that live location.
Slash our data slash is it ORCL? Yes, slash our data slash ORCL slash dot CTL all.
1 minute.
Is that his backup location?
He's trying to bring up just
he's trying
one
to
and
bring
two.
just the control files, right?
Yeah.
He just have two control files in his backup.
Yeah, yes, he's trying to bring up those ones to the back
From his backup, that's what I want him to do. To bring it from his backup location to his live location.
So I should continue, right?
No,
it is your backup location.
Backup location. Or data slash, is it backup? No, you're good.
How am I able to see his full screen? Is it me?
Backup slash.
What is the problem? I can't even see.
What's here like demo slash .ctl or no, just not .ctl .ctl. You go .ctl space you put your live location.
Wait, that's not going to copy all the control files.
He has not put the
It's
X.
supposed to be
.ctl all.
Yes.
No, all is supposed to be before the
All.ctl.
All.ctl.
.ctl is good now. It's
No.
copy.
All.ctl.
Huh?
You're trying to copy both. Just go back and just put the all there.
I'm able to see the full screen of this one.
.ctl.
Are you guys seeing his full screen?
Just minimize your screen. Minimize your screen.
It is minimized.
No, not you, whoever is complaining.
I did, but I can't see the bottom of his screen.
Okay, then Joe, then move, just drag up your screen a little bit from the bottom.
You people have to adjust it. You remember I had this thing when Marinette was.
Yeah. I can see it now.
Long time ago, you didn't want to do it.
I can see it now.
Slash ORCL. Enter.
Wow. Now that we have those things in there, what was the P file indicating? The P file was indicating that there are 3 control files in /oradata/orcl. So do the CP, do CP /oradata/orcl /control01.ctl.
Actually, this one is right.
Space.
Yeah.
You now put now the third one, CP /oradata/orcl. /oradata/orcl/control03.
You must start with the first one. The second one, I mean.
No, those two are already existing. No, never mind.
Okay.
I don't know why they were even teaching us all those things. /oradata/orcl/control03. Because 1 and 2 already existing. Control03.ctl.
So the first one didn't is ORCL. That one is CSDMO.
Okay. No. You're good. You're good.
That's it. And move to the next one.
You're good.
Yeah.
Yes.
We had 3 on the same on
enter. Just put enter.
Enter. Put enter.
Yeah, enter.
Okay.
Now look for my CTL.
The fourth and the fifth one was showing that it is where the fourth and the fifth. I think it was my CTL. I want us to go exactly on how that P file is indicating.
I think I checked it here, right?
No, go on
it's in your P file. It's okay. Just copy all the way to.
That's alert log.
Okay, the P file is indicating that the fourth one is in my CTL, and the fifth one is also
CTL.
And the fourth one is also in Oradata CTL. Okay, so do the same CP command for the third.
I can copy it from here now.
Yeah.
No, don't copy.
No,
just
don't
drag
copy
it
it.
and then drag up to the second /oradata. Just
do
copy
the same
from
thing.
your
Do
previous.
CP
and past.
Never mind.
Copy up to 0 up to control03 and you leave the 3.
This one was my city, right? My
No.
You want to copy
ORCL
from ORCL to my CTL.
/control01 .ctl, and then you put
to
space
/oradata
/oradata.ctl MyCTL
control 04.
/ control 04.ctl.
You already have DBAs in this group.
Yes, I can tell.
.ctl.
I'm expecting you on my interview days.
And then you do the same thing for the control.
Do the same thing for
People are strong in this group.
Huh?
Sometimes we just lazy.
I can enter, right?
Yes,
Enter,
yes,
yeah.
enter.
I am the champion of lazy bibish.
Just
Just
Yes,
copy
yeah,
up
Just
to
copy it now.
04.
Okay, control 0.
You are really smart, Desmond. Just lazy.
I'm very lazy. There
Okay,
you know what I'm talking
control
about.
0.
You are like me.
Yes,
Just lazy.
yeah.
okay.
Space
05.
5.ctl.
Both of them were in the same directory, right? MyCTL.
Enter. Okay, you can try to start up your database.
Gloria.
Wait. Wait. I think we needed to create P5 from the database name TLS in control file is ORCL.
Oh, the backup location.
Oh, the
What did you
backup
do?
wasn't for the ORCL.
The backup was for the ORCL, but the backup name was TLS-CMO.
It looks like it
was
matters.
error, right? Database name
It
TLS
looks like
is
it
control
matters.
file is not ORCL.
It means it matters.
I mean that backup wasn't for the ORCL.
Database name TLS-CMO in control file.
The
Wait, which
database is
database
telling
is
us
this,
what
first
it
of
is.
all?
The database is telling us that those control files belong to TLS-DMO.
So, Renata,
Which
Because-
database
Are you sure that we're in
you see
ORCL, this man?
the first CP command that we take on the oradata/backup/host TLS-DMO, that backup wasn't for the ORCL.
No, but it is done. I did it inside ORCL. That's a mistake. I did it inside
This
ORCL.
man. Yeah, I mean, thank you. We are seeing hot TLS-DMO.
But it doesn't matter. It's not like she did.
Yeah, it
TLS,
shouldn't. Which database is this?
Select name from VDola instance.
He's in ORCL. He went and took the backup of TLS-DMO.
No, I did not.
No.
I did not take it. This backup is here now. Wait, let me exit.
Just select the name.
No, select name from VDola instance.
From VDola instance.
I'm seeing a mistake like that is clear. The database is shut down.
Instance name. Select instance name from VDola instance.
Yes, instance
underscore name.
Since that thing is shut down, is it going to work?
From?
Should work. VDola instance. All right.
See?
Okay, then go to your backup location and look at the control files that's in there.
Yeah, now. This is it now.
What we are saying is that it is indicating TLS-DMO, not ORCL.
I know, that's what I said.
It's a backup location.
It is like a location. It is my backup location that I created.
Yeah, the backup location of ORCL is called TLS-DMO.
Yeah, it's hot TLS-DMO. Backup/hot TLS-DMO.
For ORCL.
Yeah.
Don't worry, like that's how he wants it. Anyways,
I showed it here now. You see, this is the backup. You see now, I'm inside ORCL. Look, this is
what? Just go on your WinSCP to make sure. Go on your.
Can you just go show me really?
Yeah.
You're WinSCP, bro.
Go WinSCP.
I'm very surprised.
I should go to where?
I'm surprised with Desmond. Go WinSCP.
Because you're on the operating system, you don't know whether it's for TLS-DMO or ORCL. Let's go on WinSCP.
Okay, check that
even
direction.
here too, you cannot know.
Check on oradata/hot.
I think I have.
No, you are not. Where is it? He's in Oradata like that.
Backup. This is backup.
Backup, yeah.
Okay.
Apparently, you don't have any backup for TLS-DMO for ORCL.
Wait, when did you do this backup? When did you do it? Today? Because it's not showing that this was done today.
Not today. Not today.
Hold down, Joseph.
Joe?
Yeah.
I don't know if I am the one getting confused or you are the one, but I am literally sure this cannot be the backup for
It is.
RCL.
Okay, wait, let me show you something, right? Let me
How
show
can
you.
a backup for RCL be in a TLS folder?
I made a mistake. Actually, I did it.
Oh, you made a mistake.
I did. I'm the one who created it now. Look, let me show you something. Let me connect to a TLS demo. Then you will see there is no backup there.
What do you mean there's no backup?
I have not done a backup there. That's what I mean.
How will you know?
Huh?
How do you know?
If you go to like no, that's true. You don't know. No.
I don't know.
I think what Desmond is saying is the truth. Because that's why they will say like the database, like it doesn't match.
I don't even know why because the database has already shown that
backup is not
those
matched with
control
the
files
database.
belong to TLS demo. The database has already told us.
That's true. Maybe
you can show the error.
So if that's the case, it means I will only need to go and check how to get the control files now from another database.
An idea I could give.
But now, why was the alert? Wait, why was the alert referring to those control files? If I may ask.
What do you mean, referring to those control files? It's because
like we went to the alert now to see what was the issue, right?
Yes, but it didn't say you have to copy from that backup location. It's just saying you have to copy the name of this file. So that means your database already had its own control files, but you didn't back it up. So
what you have to do now,
the right location.
What you have to do now is that you have to recreate those control files from another database.
Database, yeah.
And you.
All right. If that's okay, I will try. I will do that. I will try doing that maybe before I sleep.
Please, can we do it now? Because I don't know how to do it.
I don't really know.
Create from a different.
Yeah, you know, when you're doing the hot backup, when you're doing the cloning, there is that place where you go and create a script for the control file, right?
Oh, like auto backup to trace.
Backup to trace.
Oh,
when you've done that now, you go and alter that. You go and just change the names, and you probably would have to put. You probably will have to reset and everything. Since it is going to be indicating all these files, all these DBF files, you have to delete all of it if it does not exist in your ORCL. If you did not create any file in your ORCL, you just want to keep the files that come with the database. Once you have it now, you can just try to recreate the files and try to do a recovery from there.
Okay, so question, can you not just delete everything since you already have the other files? Can you not just delete everything and leave the control files?
You would delete, you mean delete what? From where?
From the SQL file, the control file, the control.sql file.
Yeah, he would have to delete everything and leave just the control files. If, you know, the thing here is he would really have to know.
Wait, but
we have done it once and it worked. It's just because we had not really altered the ORCL database.
I thought that file only has like the redo logs and the data files. It doesn't have the control files in there.
It helps you create a control files. But like for example, here he has created already production. He has created.
Can we do it? Can we do it?
He has created redo. He has created all those files. It is going to indicate once you do the alter database backup to trace.
Yes, mom. I'm lost. What are you guys doing? I was actually looking for something. If you want to see the backup, which backup you're doing, I think it's described. You can describe the sys.all.view. I was trying to see whether we can see the enter into the backup, like to see which backup you did. Was it for ORCL or TLSDMO? So I think you need to describe the sys.all.view. But my question is, can we do it since the database is not working? I don't think so.
Always try.
Okay. You can just connect back to what were you guys talking about? I'm lost.
Recreating the control files. But that means you have to reset the logs and everything.
Yeah, on ORCL, Joseph, it's not showing any error.
What are you saying?
That's fine. Describe sys.all.view. Sys.all_views. All_views.
Like this all.
All as in all the operator.
Sys.all_views.
I just want to be sure that's it because I'm not sure. Enter. Does not exist. Sys.all_views. Okay, describe sys.dba_views. I don't know if it's view or views.
Is it not sys_all_views?
Oh, try
I don't know. I'm just saying.
Sys_all. No, try first all_views. Enter. Okay, describe sys.dba_views. _views. Okay,
Maybe
try
remove the
without
dot
S on views.
sysdba.
Which one now should I try
Okay.
without you?
Try sysdba.
No, without the dot.
Huh?
Without the dot. sysdba_views. Does not exist. Try sys.all_view without S. _view. Okay. I'm not okay. I know this thing. I'm okay. I took like I remember we did it in class. Describe sys yes. Are you sure it's not because your database is disturbing? Wait, let me see. Very sure we did this in class. Somebody has the database open. Okay, let me just try to.
Desmond.
Yeah, bro.
That long procedure that you were explaining, can we do? Is it possible we do it now?
Yeah, we can try and do it. The database is shut down, right? So,
Yeah,
try
so from this step, what do you say we do? We go and create the database, then we use the script.
now the database is already existing. You want to create it from TLS demo, so you can do. You guys should help me. Is it all the system backup to trace whatever?
Anita, you remember?
Send them backup control file to trace as, and then you specify.
And then you put the path. Yeah.
Alter database.
Yeah.
It's alter database. I'm very confused between the difference between alter database and alter system.
Alter system.
It's really true.
Alter database set. Is it set?
Backup control file.
Trace.
That thing, then here now what's supposed to be here?
You open string and then you put your path where you want it to be.
Like which path am I going to put? I've not created a directory yet.
You put it in TLS, put it in ORCL. Just put it in ORCL. / ORCL.
Double strings?
No, single string.
Like this. We good?
/ ORAData.
/ ORAData / no. / ORAData / ORCL. But have you created any files in this database that you can remember? Joe? Have you been working with this database?
ORCL?
Yes.
Yeah, once in a while, but mostly on Cell Demo.
Okay, we're going to give it a try. I don't know if you created some of those table spaces and data files.
I think so. Maybe.
Because this is just real try and error because we're not sure. If you can know exactly the file that you created, it's going to, anyway, it is going to show. We can always find it, no problem. Okay.
That's it?
Yeah, no, yeah. Oh, close the string.
No, you have to name it.
Oh, yeah.
Put the name of your file.
Thank you.
/ control
No, I don't have a direct
SQL.
What?
You are naming it.
Control-file.sql.
You are naming it control-file.sql.
Honestly, I don't know what the essence of this is.
We just want to see if we can recreate those control
That's
files.
it, right?
We have done it once before and it will close the strings now.
Very good.
Yep, it's now database.
You not alter the database when it's not mounted.
We should do it from TLS DMO actually. Sorry about that. We should do it from TLS DMO.
Oh, because there are no control files.
Yeah. Just copy and paste that thing there. No, open the database first or whatever. Is your database open or mounted or anything like that?
This one?
Yeah.
It's open, I'm sure. We're using.
Okay, just run that command then. Okay. Now let's go now to that script.
So I have to exit and go back to
go
RC,
to
right?
WinSCP.
Go to WinSCP.
You want to go to ORCL.
RCL. Fresh.
Go down.
I have to controls.
That's a strange one. That is it down there. Go down. Yeah,
Wait, so that means you have to delete all those other controls then. You have to
yeah,
delete
he would have to delete all these control files that we created.
Can you just do that now? Because they're useless, right?
They're useless, yes.
right now.
Can you just delete it from from Puri? When you delete from this thing, it wastes too much time. I don't know why.
Really?
From my experience.
No, you can delete anyways.
Okay, you can do it from there.
Yeah, delete it from there is just easier.
That's it.
You're already there.
Just delete it, yeah.
You're right there. No. It's whatever you have open right there.
Yeah,
yes.
right here. Just delete these things.
Just drag 1, 2, and 3.
That was fast. Mine usually takes forever. It's simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. So open now that open our control file. Okay. You know what to delete, right?
Okay. Like, why is he?
The problem now is that you have. I want to know can you just go back to your live location for ORCL? Let me see if you have any data files that you created except of the ones that come with the database. So you can we can check it from here. We can check it from WinSCP. No problem. Let's just check it from WinSCP. It is already there where you deleted those control files. That was your live location, right? Yeah, we have that term 01 user that csocks . So there is actually nothing exceptional here, if I understand.
Well, you have to delete all those demos.
Yeah, all these things I have to remove.
Yeah, no, exactly. No, you have to delete all of them. I was just making sure that you had no data file that would have to include here. You know, okay.
What about this redo?
First thing you
what
want
about the redos?
No, you don't need to delete the redos. You would go ahead and delete those.
So I remove from here.
No.
No.
You don't know how to do this one. No, it's all the way at the bottom after the semicolon.
Delete the demonstrate, the development,
Let me first remove these ones now.
Yes, you can remove them. So now
Remove the space between the data file and log file.
I thought we have to remove all these data files now.
No, just remove the space first. Backspace, yes, that's good. Now you have to remove the.
You have to remove
demonstrate.
Demonstrate.
Yeah.
Demonstrate. Sorry.
Demonstrate.
This one.
Demonstrate.
Yes.
Yes.
Remove demonstrate, development, for testing and production.
What again?
Development, quad testing, and production. You don't have it. You don't have them in ORCL.
Backspace. And remove that comma. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I think
3, 4.
that is all right.
No reset logs.
No, you have to
change
put
the name of the database.
Yeah, you have to change the name. Just use the put it thing and change everything. Change everything.
Do that because you have to change the other data.
You have to change. Yes, just go to A to B or whatever.
Undo. Okay.
Go to okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you are going to do put the set and reset. Yeah. Anita, I think we're good, right? Hey, Anita, I think we are good, right?
Yep.
I think that's it.
Okay, you can save it now on. And save it now.
Guys.
Yes. Save it now and run the script.
I'm gonna have to put it.
No, I think you have to create a P file, right? You have. At what point do you create a P file from the SP file? Because his P file right now is very different. You have to recreate it. Your P file is going to be indicating something completely different. So we have to recreate your P file.
So I connect now back to OralCL.
We have to recreate that P file. How do we do it again?
So I create P file now from SP file. Or SP file or P file.
The SP file is already the SP file and the P file are already the same. So all we want to do is how can we do it here? Let me think on the easiest way to do it. If we should alter the P file and recreate it from the SP file, I think we should alter that P file. Delete 3 of those. How many control files are created? 2 control files, right?
No, I think this one has 3. The OralCL had 3 control files, but I don't know how many have been created now. How do we check? Let me go back.
No, we are going to create 2 control files. I think that script creates 2 control files. But our P file is indicating 5 control files. So maybe we want to delete some of those.
Our P file has 5 control files. Where have you seen 5 control files?
Our P file indicates
okay.
5 control files. Yeah, so maybe we just want to delete those other 3 control files.
From the P file, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we can do that. So we can make it for it to match with the other control files we have.
Yeah, that we're going to create now.
Here no, this is alert. So I go back now to the P file.
Yes. I'm speaking this one of the controls of you guys here. I think that script creates 2 control files, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, go back to this thing. Yep.
So I remove from here.
Yeah. I think we have to keep that comma there.
Anyway.
Yeah, continue removing. Just continue. Okay. You can delete those ones. Remove that comma and you put the space so that thing goes back down. Put space.
There's space already.
Enter. There's this thing should not be there. This DB, it should not be there.
So I should remove these ones?
No, put it down. Send it down. Press enter. Okay. Save it now. Okay, let's go and run that script.
Yeah, so I think it's gonna work now. So which script?
The script that you just created, put add or a data slash.
Wait. Are we running it here?
You are in ORCL, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, run it there. You can run it there.
I'm asking what's the command to run it, or I go and copy and run it?
Add. Arobas. Slash.
No, you don't need any slash. You don't need
Okay.
Yeah, it's just going to be control file.sql.
That's it.
Okay.
Maybe. Yes. I'm there.
Now, I think you need to specify the location.
I think it's not. How can you just start by at control file.sql?
Specify the location. It is at slash or data slash.
When you're doing the cloning, is that not how you do it?
We did it once in this group and it had a lot of issues. I remember. I think it was
Emman's database.
Yeah,
So
put slash or data slash ORCL control.sql.
Yes, first. I think.
It was control file or control?
Control file. Oh, I don't know what.
Yes, control file.
That's one.
I was like, you guys are getting me confused here. No.
Are you sure it was control file?
Joe,
you can check.
It's your database, you should remember.
Shut down first.
Shut down about. When did we start
it's
that?
Still reading that control 04, my CTL.
Because we created it, we had actually created it already. Go and delete it in that folder. Go and delete it in my CTL.
I mean, if it's not in the P file, why is it in the SP file? Why is it reading? It shouldn't. Did you create the SP file from P file?
Oh no, he did not. He did not.
You have to create the SP file from P file.
I was asking if we had to do that.
No, Desmond was saying that, but I get confused. I remember. You're saying you should create the P file or the SP file, so he didn't know which one. I remember.
I will
Yeah,
enter.
create now the P file from create the SP file from the P file.
I don't have to shut down again.
You can shut down.
Huh?
You can shut down, but the instance is not mounted, so I don't think it should impact.
So should I do it here?
Yeah, just shut down about. Just shut down about. Yeah, create now the SP5 on the P file. Okay, run again.
Run the command. Yeah.
No.
No, the second.
Calmez-vous,
Les gars.
On essaie de se battre, ça peut réussir.
Et les go. Et les go.
Same thing.
Create a.
Did you delete control 01?
What?
It says control 01 already existing.
No, they say created file.
No, I think it's control.sql. I don't know if it's control file.sql.
Let me see.
No, the script is running. The script actually ran.
That's just the name.
The script actually ran. Can you just go back to your WinSCP?
Yeah, because
it is saying that go to Oracle.
Go to Oradata.
There should be a control 01 there.
I have control 03 here again.
Yeah, you have to delete all those.
Delete all of those.
Oh, did it just create it?
I don't understand too.
Okay, just delete them again, I guess.
I'm very surprised. We deleted them. How is it possible that they're there?
Where's Airman? It's already left, right?
Shut down the database again.
Eh?
Shut down about again.
Yeah. What does it create? Control file, set database archive log. Create control field. Control file could not be created. Control file. Created file already exists. Man, a lot of things like that. Yeah, run again that script. Let's see.
It's good now. See that?
look, Joe. You are
okay.
so.
Now that it is created, let's just try to open that database and see. You can maybe do the multiplexer later, but just try to
open.
Auto database reset log.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Auto database reset log, I think.
Auto database open, right? Yeah, reset log.
Reset logs. Okay, now you are going to need to do the recovery.
This is the issue I had.
Now you have to do the recovery.
With the other database, with the other one, you remember I told you I have to do a backup, and then this.
It is inconsistent. Now you have to do recovery. Do recovery now. What is that SQL command for recovery again? Recover, control, whatever. What is that SQL command again?
Anita, this is what I experienced.
Wait, is it the recover database? No, recover database using backup.
Yes, recover database using backup
cancel.
Control file.
Exactly.
Yes. Recover.
Recover is misspelled. But his database is supposed to be mounted, right?
At the end.
Anyways, recover database using control file, backup control file until cancel. Using backup control file until cancel.
Mounted. I don't want us to do a mistake and come back on this thing. We should follow when we want to recover a database, it should be at what point? Open, cancel.
Is recover database using yes backup control file until cancel? She right.
But should the database be mounted or anything like that? That's making sure.
Just to connect to the.
I think it should be mounted here.
To the target database.
Yeah, I think so. It has to be mounted, right? And then when we're done now, when we have a media recovery completed, then we open down the database.
I don't think your database needs to be mounted because when you do the cloning, when you exit and come to your target database, you don't mount database. Anyway, that's what I think. You don't mount the database before doing the
connect to the target
or doing the alter database open reset log. So the database don't need to be mounted.
Try. Let's go.
That database has to be mounted. It cannot be shut down. How is it going to know the consistency? It has to be mounted. It cannot. How is it going to know what is going on? At least you should be able to read the control file and the SP file and everything.
Okay. It is not in this case, it is not the same thing because the database is shut down.
Okay, so now just try to apply.
Just try to apply the redo.
No. ORCL.
ORCL.
Joseph, how many redo logs do you have?
3.
Okay, I think I can try this one.
That's it, right?
That's the last one. It is 130.
Huh?
The sequence number is 130. Okay, that's fine. You can try this one.
What are you saying?
No, just try.
Just try redo 01.
That's it, right?
Yeah, let's try. Let's do.
That thing's taking too much time.
Oh, I didn't know you had to do this for the system files.
Anita, what did you say?
I said I didn't know you had to go through this process for the system file. I thought it was just for the redo logs and the control files.
I don't know. Before I had that issue calling you in the morning, you remember this is what I was explaining to you.
Never mind that system file thing. The problem with this thing is the consistency. The redo log file are indicating one thing. We just created new control files, and the redo log, the data file headers are not up to date with what the control files that we just created are indicating. So we have to recover from the redo log files. Forget about that system thing. It has no problem.
No, you are right, Desmond. You're right.
That thing is taking too much time, man.
It's 10 o'clock already. Do you have any other pulleys that is open?
Any other? Yeah.
Yeah, exit from SQL from those things because sometimes that's what. Okay.
Server.
This one is okay. But if you're connected, okay.
Media recovery completed.
Okay.
You good?
See?
Now you can. What's the next stage? You open reset log. You reset logs or what?
Yeah, I think you have to reset log.
Okay.
But I thought you already did it up there. Oh yeah, auto database open reset log.
It's auto database.
Just copy that thing and paste.
Oh, now I've learned how to recreate control files. This is cool.
So yes,
okay, Anita, you see in the morning I told you, you see what I was explaining that we had to like create the control files now.
Yeah.
But like
I didn't even know how to do it. So
how I had to do that because I was struggling to see how I could create new control files. This was it here.
Let me just tell you this. Let me just tell you that
does this mean that
not a
all
mistake
those
that you should be
data
doing,
files?
This is not a mistake that you should be doing, bro. Because if you do this mistake and you don't remember all your data files, you are just lucky that you have not created any data files here.
All right.
And the sizes were not different.
You can see my screen, right? You see. I had to go to set how to create control file, how to recreate control file. So I was like, I was stuck there.
This database is such a way that even if they give you all Google and you don't know the basic things, man,
yes,
anything.
That's the problem.
Because I remembered everything here well. In my case, right, I tried applying all of the redo 1, redo 2, redo 3. None of them worked. And I remember we had once done a scenario like that in class, right? When Emerald did something like that and all of them reduced, none of them worked. And then I've forgotten the scenario, what she did. And like if you applied all the reduce and they don't
She
work.
allowed that option to allow control file corruption, or is it redo log corruption or something?
Sakisa, this record is very important. Let him upload it, please. So, you know, this troubleshooting.
Sakisa is good on that.
Yeah, these troubleshooting classes like this, they are very, very important.
So to enable my
okay, and that's not, did you hear what we're doing at the beginning, in the beginning of the class? Corinne, I think Corinne was on it.
Sorry, guys.
But I just sent it in our class group so everybody can look at it.
What was that? The video?
No, it was just so I went through some DBA jobs, like the job offers, and I was looking at the job description, like what they're expecting you to do in this job and all those stuff. It was something I could do, and I guess the class too, the group too. So I brought it in the group, and we talked about it, and I sent it in the group.
Are you going to apply? This is in North Carolina.
Yeah,
And, NC is North Carolina, right?
I know.
I don't even know, Mama.
Anita, you left Cameroon to come and be stuck in Maryland.
I am going to be stuck here. I'm not going
okay.
anywhere.
Maybe family matters. I know.
Yeah.
Oh.
So Renata, can we talk about this? Because I have to get back to this guy on tomorrow.
What?
About the Sunday class.
Oh, okay. What time are you guys available on Sunday?
I thought
you have three choices, either 4, 5, or 6. So we start with Joseph.
So when we start by 6, it's 6 from 6 to 10.
Yeah. We start with Joseph. Joseph 4, 5, or 6.
6 to 10.
Anita.
Anytime.
Okay, let me say 6. Bibish.
5.
4, 5, or 6. 5. Marinette 4, 5, or 6.
5.
Okay.
Is it every Sunday or just one Sunday?
Until the exam, I think.
I will say
those
one
logs
Sunday.
are taking forever.
I don't think it's gonna be one Sunday. It's probably gonna be more than at least 2 Sundays.
Okay, let's say 2 Sundays. Desmond 4, 5, or 6.
5, 6, whatever.
Okay. Whatever is not an answer. Either 5 or 6. Desmond.
You said 5 or 8?
No, 4, 5, or 6.
6. Let me say 6.
Okay.
5 o'clock.
Corinne 4, 5, or 6.
Any actually. I'm first.
Just about that database.
5 or 6, hello.
Okay, 6.
5 or 6. 6. Okay. David 4, 5, or 6.
6.
Okay. And Desmond has already answered. Sakisa 4, 5, or 6. Sakisa 4, 5, or 6. Sakisa is nowhere to be found. Okay, for me I say 6. So I think most of us have chose 6. Most of us choose 6. So.
And what about the daytime people?
What about the
money people? Is not together.
It's
going to be
Yeah,
together.
that's why we have to come up with a time.
Oh,
okay.
4 o'clock.
And I think the morning people, they wanted 4 o'clock. So I don't know about that 6 o'clock.
If it's 4 o'clock, so it should be 4 to 8.
It's not a matter of 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock. If our class says 6 o'clock and they say 4 o'clock, we found a way either to put it in the middle or I don't know what. It's not like that imposing us now. Okay, database all that. So Anita, it is 6 o'clock for the group.
So I just open now, right? Or it's open already?
You're good.
You need to start up the database, right?
No,
the database is down.
If it's open, it means it's already started now.
That's the status.
It's open.
Okay, good.
Oh, thank you guys so much. I'm proud of you guys. Proud of you guys. Bibish.
Yes.
Come on. Why you say you wanted me to relax? You see now?
Did the backup finish?
It has worked, right?
Yeah, of course, bro. Thanks so much, man.
Stop sharing, Joseph.
Huh?
Stop sharing. Let me show me.
You can plug in multiplexing. This time around, don't forget to do the backup.
Huh?
I mean, it's a troubleshooting day. Now, share your screen.
Why is it that?
I'm trying to fix my
someone
camera.
force Akisa. You should not sleep when they want to.
It didn't move. What's going on with this thing?
You should record it. It's very important. You should keep it.
It didn't. Oh, let me see.
I stopped sharing.
Yes, I'm just looking at my screen. I didn't alter, so he didn't end the backup.
And the put is still active.
And maybe I should.
The put is still active. Do you have other? Are you connected to other database?
No.
On SQL, whatever. No. Okay. I don't know. I mean, you need to end the backup. That's it. You need to end the backup.
Why is not moving?
Control C again. Do Control C and do it again. Okay, do again the copy and paste the author database and backup.
More than an hour. It just sits like that.
Okay, did you guys go through the last chapter?
Not yet. I'm still on chapter.
The transparent data encryption. Nobody. Nobody. Hey. Okay.
About the data encryption.
Did anybody go through the transparent data encryption, that chapter?
I haven't, but if there's some, you can just ask. But I think from you just have a little.
I was doing
what I know is what I heard from the class, but I haven't got over it again.
Yeah, when you guys will go through it, we're going to talk about it.
Do we back up?
The master key?
Yeah, that chapter is a whole chapter on its own.
Yeah, the master key is the.
That is chapter 12, right?
Uh-huh.
This thing just try like this. I won't even do any homework anymore or what. Maybe I should open a new one.
You can try and open a new Puri and open a new Puri. Duplicate the session. Anyone have a question on anything? Anyone has a question on anything?
Can I just alter the tab in here?
We are not seeing your other Puri. The Puri enters.
Oh. Which one is it? I just want to carry this and put the other thing. Is that possible? You said that I cannot just enter here and end the backup.
And you can enter and end the backup, but we are not seeing that page. We are not seeing that screen.
Which one? The page that I'm using?
Yes. Am I the only one not seeing it, or you guys are seeing it?
You are not any because I have two.
We are seeing the old one.
No, it's on top of the new one. This is the old one. And this is the new one.
We are not seeing the new one. Hello, guys. You guys are sleeping or what?
Tired.
Marinette was sharing her screen for us to do something.
But that's what she's doing, and you guys are not responding. Like, I feel like I'm the only one not seeing the screen.
I've seen it now.
We are there, Nada.
Maybe you're sleeping already.
I see the new section she duplicated.
We are there.
Someone said it might be she's having a space issue too, right?
Sahisa.
I mean, she just duplicated the session. Are you guys seeing it?
Yes. This is the session.
I'm seeing just one session, no, the one that's idle. The one which says
let me see. I don't know.
Backup. Exactly. It is the old one.
No, this is the new one. They are two.
Are you the one who did the auto database and backup?
Both, yes.
Marinette, did you do the auto database and backup on this new session?
Yes.
Why have you done it twice? I'm seeing it up, I'm seeing it down. The first one said error.
User requested cancel of comment operation. It is the old one, right?
Then she came down again. She has done it again now.
It is the old page, exactly.
Okay, it's like she's waiting now for the server because she did it again.
She duplicated a session. That's what she's saying. She duplicated the session, but we cannot see the other session she duplicated.
But I think this is the old session now.
This is the old one.
This is the new session.
Oh, Renata, it's like she just went to the old session and then just started again. Maybe it was not close.
Marinette, duplicate again and see.
Let me.
So, do you talk? I asked this, right? Still trying to catch my breath. To me, it felt awkward. Why are you following? Well,
Guys, this is the new one.
Marinette, try duplicating again.
Is that it?
It's duplicated. You're not still seeing.
You didn't think I was gonna
Maybe you just shared one screen. That's the reason why.
What can I say?
Stop sharing and you share back.
So next, actually, I hadn't even thought about that. My name is Anna. I said, I've been embarrassed. I know your name, Anna. We're in the same.
Can you see this new session now?
A pack of sandwiches for my backpack.
I'll do some love with chat. Now I found the AGP source.
No thanks. Change the answer.
Stop sharing and then start sharing again.
You guys cannot see the new one.
Oh, we can't see the new one. That's why
No, we cannot see.
Oh.
Maybe you choose to share just part of your screen. You did not choose the full screen sharing. That's why, since what you have been doing, we have not been seeing it.
Oh, okay. Let me. Can you guys see now?
Yeah.
So let me duplicate it now.
Wait, where's the other screen that you just opened again?
Is this one that I'm writing on?
We are not seeing. We are not seeing what you're writing.
Oh, what is the phone?
Did you stop sharing the screen and share it back?
Yeah, she just did.
Then we not see it. I don't know why.
Stop sharing, and then you have to select when you want to select. You have to select.
Yeah, we have seen the new one now.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, connect now. See the environment.
What's your room? What's your room? It's like.
So I can just alter now, or I have to do something else. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, just on the back of it.
At the bottom.
Yes.
Oh.
Saver. We'll buy our own saver. Let's make some contribution now.
It's not server. Your connection is low. How you say server?
It's not my connection. It's Marinette. It's saver. It's connection issue. Now it's 10 already now.
It's almost 10:30. So that's
Okay.
why.
Yeah. This is server. This is server Bronte.
So why were you saying it's not saver? Is my connection?
I don't think it's the server.
Is what? You open more putties?
More than an hour, and I don't think so. I don't know. Even if it was just
Close the other putties now, like Anita said now, that some of them are the ones you are not using.
Can you stop sharing and then you just share your whole share the first screen on your top left.
Which one?
Just stop sharing.
Oh.
And then now when you want to share, you share the first screen on your top left. The very first screen.
This one? Can you guys see this?
No, we cannot see anything.
This is the old one. The one you said it.
Just share the first screen. It's going to show you different screens. Share the first screen on your top left.
Yeah, this is the one.
That cannot be it. But
Can you see it?
yes, but you have other screens open.
Yeah, two.
That's not the one you want to share. You want to share the one on your first. Okay. Do you have any other PuTTY open?
No, it's just these two.
I don't know what's happening.
I don't really know. Let me close this and see. Oh.
You see that was not even, that's not the first screen on your top left, or it will show your desktop.
This is
Hello. We are tired. I'm tired.
Anyway, Marinette, it doesn't make any issue. If it is a server, then tomorrow you can just also database and the backup. But make sure you end your backup. Since it's no, I don't know what's going on.
If it doesn't work,
Oh.
just bring it to class tomorrow.
Yeah. So guys, it's exactly 10:30 now.
Thank you.
We are done with the meeting. Not do what we're supposed to do, but at least we did some troubleshooting and we fixed some error. It's the most important thing. We'll meet on Thursday. I guess Joseph will not be there. Who else is not gonna be there on Thursday? Anyway, we'll meet on Thursday. You guys have a good night.
You too.
Don't forget to go through your chapter 13 and chapter 4. Yeah, chapter 12 and chapter 13.
And do your assignments.
Yes, I have to start.
That's
Excuse me, Marinette.
the script that Cameron gave the other day.
The script?
Yes. You don't have...
Create a database, right?
Yes.
I didn't see it.
No, but they said
Why
that
did I?
Should be in your U01, right? I think.
But she
Or your
gave
Oracle home.
people not to. So he will just go to
So I
any
think
U01.
To do what?
I think I have the script.
Oh, you wasn't there.
Okay, Anita, please, can you just share it in the group?
Yeah.
They wanted to send it to you so that you can share with the group, but you wasn't there.
Okay.
Just share with the group.
The group. All right. So you guys don't forget to read.
13 and 14.
Finish, oh.
You said-
Finish. Read, oh.
You said 13 and 14?
So 12 and 13.
Okay, good.
Like, for according to me, the school is finished because it is not like in DB1 that we know that everybody is gonna go in DB2. We're gonna go to DB2 together, or in I don't know what. This thing tomorrow, I can just come and say, guys, okay, I have the pleasure today that I got my job and I'm living.
Amen. No. I think Rhoda will be the first person to get a job in this.
I'm telling you.
Because she's behind offers.
The school is finished, so honestly, I just need to be reading and, and be getting ready for it.
Everybody has his own ways God provide for. So,
Amen, amen, amen.
So I can say that.
Amen.
Amen, Joe.
All right. You have a good night.
Good night.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Renata. Thank you, Bibi. Thank for everyone.
Sakisa, we are behind you. Marinette.
Yeah.
I got a damn file. Sakisa, don't play. Give us the.
I passed my exam yesterday to my
95%, but you never